You'll do good in school. Always have a star. You'll be in the honor roll. Okay? Yeah. Wala nang group study, group study. Like I told you, alam namin yung mga parasit na yan. Yeah. Right?
We've been there.
Oo. Yung field trip, okay. Field trip pwede. Basta may, kung pwede sumama kami sa field trip, mas lalo akong papayag. Pero kung kayo-kayo lang, no. Okay? Delikado. Alright? Alright? Magandang kunin mo marine biology. Huh? Right? Or naval architecture. Right? Maganda yun. Oo. Mathematics. Excited ka na ba sa mathematics? Tuturuan ka ni mami ng mathematics.
Simpleng math nga lang.
O kaya, tuturo sa'yo ng mami mo ng English grammar. Nah, we'll all be together. Okay? Always do your homework when we get home. And then we play. After homework, pag nagawa na yung assignment mo. Bored ka na? Ano kaya kukunin mong sports? What sports do you want? What sports do you want? Wrestling? Bored ka na? Bored na, mami.
Bored na? Are you bored?